I forget what the term is they use inside the operating agreement, but Amazon, you're absolutely right that you cannot pull images from Amazon's website. They make it very clear that you need to pull the image URL via their API. And tools like Matthew Allen's AmaLinks Pro do an amazing job at exactly that, following the terms and conditions to the T to pull the rich content and put it in your site. So if Amazon is going to be an important part of your strategy, definitely recommend you check out WordPress plugins. AmaLinks Pro again being a great one. He's got a few competitors as well, but they are, again, it's important for them to play by the rules to grab the assets. As far as grabbing images from other websites, I can't answer that definitively. It's going to depend on the terms and conditions of each of those websites and each of the different affiliate programs. My gut is that's probably in a more dangerous territory. If anything, for grabbing art, you probably want to go to Google Images and make sure that it's a royalty free. That it's the CC was that Classic Commons, Creative Commons, thank you, gives you permission to do exactly that. It's a real bummer to grab an image, and then this is not exactly the question, but it's a real bummer to grab an image, think you're in the clear, and then get a note from, say, Getty Images a year later asking for $600 to clear the rights because you were in violation. And that's happened to us multiple times. You'd think we'd learn, but it's you grab them from these places and you think they're clear. After the first time, we specifically started using tools that were clear, and we still got in trouble again. So we now actually create our own art because it's just easier than having to deal with some of these other sites. But anyway, I'm going down a rabbit hole now. Hopefully that answered your question.
Yep, you got it. And I'll pepper in just a couple things. I wouldn't worry too much about trying to get product images specifically. You probably will run into trouble if you go to the company website and use their images. They may have specific license agreements with the photographer, the stock image company, or whatever. They own the rights. So even if you're promoting their product, it doesn't mean you can just use it because copyright law gets complicated really fast. So I would not use images that you're not 100% sure that you could use. There's a ton of free resources online. You can get images, you can get video. There's so much out there, but you may not be able to get the exact product image. So my advice is figure out images that fit with the topic and or the audience in general. So if it's, say, something associated with a parenting website, you could have pictures of families, or we're going down a weird road, kids in playgrounds. Maybe make sure you're getting stock images and the proper ones, but basically make sure you have the right to use those images. So